My name is Austin Farver, and today I'll be going through a step-by-step process of how to make chocolate chip cookies. So let's begin. Prior to the mixing process, you should preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So once you're done with your batter, you're ready to bake. Now that your oven is being preheated, you're gonna need these ingredients. You're gonna need cane sugar, brown sugar, baking soda, flour, salt, 2 eggs, 2 sticks of butter, vanilla extract, and chocolate chips, but I have semi-sweet chunks, but it doesn't matter. Before dealing with any of the ingredients, you're going to want to wash your hands with water and soap. To begin the mixing process, you're going to need your brown sugar and your butter. You're gonna need 1 cup of brown sugar. I already have half a cup in here. And you're gonna add another half cup. And then you're going to add in your butter. Once you're done mixing your butter and brown sugar, it should look a little something like this. Now that you have your brown sugar and butter mixed, you're gonna add both your eggs. You're gonna need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, you're gonna wanna mix your dry ingredients. You're gonna need 3 cups of flour. I have 2 cups in here. And then this is my 3rd cup. And you're going to want your baking soda, cane sugar, and your salt. Your next dry ingredient you're gonna want is your baking soda, and you're gonna want a teaspoon of that. After your baking soda, you're gonna wanna add a teaspoon of salt. After your salt, you're gonna wanna add a half cup of your cane sugar. You're gonna wanna mix up your dry ingredients a little bit and slowly add a cup at a time to your wet. Once you're done mixing your wet ingredients and your dry ingredients, it should look something like this. The last step of the mixing process, you're gonna wanna get a desirable amount of your chocolate chips. I'm gonna be going with a little over a cup. You're gonna pour it in the middle of your dough and fold the dough over on top. Once you're done mixing your chocolate chips into your cookie dough, it should look something like this, and you're ready to get your ice cream scooper. I forgot to mention earlier, you're gonna need some Pam. Just put a light coat on your cookie sheet so they don't stick. And now you're gonna evenly disperse your cookies onto the sheet. Cookies are ready to bake. You're gonna wanna make sure your oven is in 350 degrees, and you're gonna pop them in your cookie sheet. Now that your cookies are in the oven, you're gonna wanna hit bake, timer, and set your timer to 12 minutes and start. Cookies are done, you're gonna wanna put on your oven mitts and take out your cookies. Once you've removed your cookies from the oven, use a spatula to remove them from the sheets. And I would recommend to let them sit for a little bit so they can harden up, but they're ready to be served.